All right, guys, so we're here at the sacred waterfall at Kiyomizu Temple, and our students are getting in line and choosing their blessing. If you drink from the fountain on the left, you get long life and good health. If you drink from the fountain in the middle, you get good luck in love. If you drink from the fountain on the right, you get wisdom. So let's see which blessing they choose. So Joel chooses long life.
You can go ahead and go. Oh, you want the same one? Okay.
So it looks like Raven is also going to go for long life. Bree's up next. What's Bree gonna go for?
Long life?
Yeah, the kid wants
Bree, you can go.
You are only 20 something. You care about long life?
Oh, good health.
Bree chooses
There's cancer in my family.
luck and love.
Which one did you choose?
Love.
I think Madeline was going for
Madelid. No, Madelid. Okay, so we got 2 votes for long life, 2 votes for love.
It was either
Jocelyn's gonna break the tie.
Health. I have broken there.
Jocelyn, which one are you choosing? Oh, Jocelyn chooses wisdom. So we got 2 long life, 2 love, and 1 wisdom. Oh, Davis Sensei's gonna go get a blessing.
Go,
I know she's not gonna choose love. Let's see, is she gonna choose long life or wisdom?
She's gonna choose long life. That's my bet. Yep, long life.
And it looks like Joel is right. Davis Sensei is gonna go for long life and break the tie. So we got 3 for long life, 2 for love, and 1 for wisdom this year.